Hello there, my friends. Welcome back to the road to Cloud Wars Expo. We're going to be talking about the best path that your company can take into the digital future, and as the entire acceleration economy demands more of businesses than it ever has before. We also hope we're going to give you some pointers on how to take the road to Cloud Wars Expo at the Moscone Center in San Francisco, June 28th, 29th, and 30th. One of the big cloud providers who's going to be with us there at Cloud Wars Expo is Oracle. And they're going to be rolling together some of the big plans that have been unfolding and that will really start to take hold in the middle of this year. To give you an outline of what we think they're going to be talking about here, is Oracle has this great combination, both a very large industry-specific solutions business and a lot of industry cloud potential and growth there. And they've also got probably the largest installed base of cloud ERP systems, and that business is growing 35%. So high growth ERP, high growth industry cloud business, both of them very large. And moving into the digital future, businesses in every industry are going to need to weave these things together. The specific capabilities that these new industry solutions will give, along with the cloud ERP capability to run their core business. And I think Oracle has been outlining probably the clearest and most aggressive vision for how they're going to tie together these new industry cloud capabilities with the traditional business operations that everybody has to follow. Oracle's got a couple of other things going on that I'm sure they'll be talking about. It's their high growth Oracle Cloud Infrastructure business and their autonomous database, which is becoming more and more popular among large and mid-sized businesses. They'll be talking some about their high growth MySQL HeatWave, their new database that does both transactions and analytics. Excuse me. And then also this high level vision from Larry Ellison that he's been talking about, where he says, along with our partners, he said, we're going to build a big portfolio of B2B cloud services. So there's a number of things going on here, one of which is Oracle's revolution on its own. And along with a lot of the other big cloud providers, they're moving and changing very quickly because their customers, all of you folks, are demanding more and more capabilities to run your businesses better, to have these new digital capabilities, and to have the tools to allow you to extract the data from all these interactions that are going on among your customers and be able to enrich that data, feed it back to them. They've also spoken here inside what Ellison said. There's this notion that it's not just the big vendors make the stuff and the customers buy it. As he said, as they move into more of these industry-specific opportunities, it's going to be a combination of Oracle and its partners, whether that's some of their SIs or industry-specific partners, but also customers. So it's a whole new way of building these things to get the industry expertise and the technology expertise together. But it's a very exciting time now. We hope that we will see you at Cloud Wars Expo, and thanks for being with us on this latest episode of the Road to Cloud Wars Expo.